This is Dormio News. A strange new virus has appeared in China. For the past 6 years, it has been identified COVID. A civil danger warning has been issued for the United States. There have been numerous riots located in the country. We must stop them at once. Hello? Who's on the phone? Please, get off there. Why? Nationwide alert was broadcasted. What? No. Please, there was no one else. I couldn't call anyone else. You just can't. There's no one else there. What? They're all gone? Yes. They're all gone. Help! Help me! No! No, please! No! No! I'll be right there! No! Stop! No! Stop! Welcome to Dormio News. The government of New York is currently collapsing.
A broadcast intrusion has been discovered in our system. The Britannian Republic has invaded the Russian Federation and will not stop at all until we surrender our country. All citizens must stay in their basements until this threat leaves. This is not a test. Our death is imminent. Our country shall not last.
The government of the United Kingdom has passed a federal warning to decrease the riots happening in our country. The United States is in chaos and it is already too late to help them. We have equipped weapons to help us survive. May God be with you all. We will find a way out of this. We will survive.
We need to get out of here now. There's more people arriving. We need to surrender now. Come on, we need to fight back. No, the riots. We must contain them. No, this is wrong. This is America. We are a free country. Don't you please, no. Stop it, please. No. I'm gonna shoot this gun. I'm gonna shoot this gun. And you're never gonna see your family again. You hear me? No. He's got a bomb. No, don't fire it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be